motorcycle through a slalom course. Make sure, number one, that you're on the bike with the right posture. Keep the weight in your feet, your arms relaxed, your eyes up, and ensure that you allow the bike to move underneath you. So we shouldn't be stiff through the course. Tip number two, select a gear so the motorcycle maintains a constant supply of power and you're not on and off the throttle. Tip number three, make sure your eyes are up. You use your fixed vision to look ahead to where you want to go to, feeling what's underneath you with your peripheral vision. Last thing, ensure you understand how to use your handlebar pressure to turn the motorcycle, i.e. push right to go right, push left to go left. Never turn your bike by moving your shoulders. Good luck. If you have any problems, give us a call.